Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we tell how to turn off location sharing on Instagram, so let's start. Now Instagram has a new feature that is a map, and if you want to turn off, well, it's very easy to do it. So first you have to go to map, and then when you click on map, you have to wait until the location appears. In this case, as you can see, everyone is up on the maps, but appears this option first. You have share with mutual followers. It means that follow the people who follow you can see your location as well as you can see the follow of the people. Close friends, if you prefer, if you have only one friend, you can share with them, or only with these accounts. If you prefer select one of them, just click on that. But if you prefer keep private, just click on Not Now. Now you won't share your location on Instagram. As you can see, now I back, and if you see on the notes here, it says not sharing. It means that my location is not sharing with anyone. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.